Introducing Sexual Self. Let's discuss. So what is sexual self? Sexual self is an individual evaluation of his or her own sexual feelings and action. Sex is a part of what makes person human. Being a human, the prime function of procreation, however, sex goes far. Beyond the instinct to procreate, sex is likewise about pleasure, enjoyment, and even excitement. And even human sexuality serves both psychologically and spiritually. Sex is one way of lowering alienation, isolation, and loneliness by physically linking and being penetrated with another person at the most primitive level of existence. Human sexual behavior. So the first one is masturbation or solitary sex. Masturbation is a sexual self-satisfaction. Many women typically start to masturbate for the first time at the different ages, ranging from 5 to 21 years old with the highest peak at 9 to 13 years old for males and 12 to 16 years old for females. Heterosexuality. Some people believe that the first time they engage in a sexual activity, they have already accomplished something significant in their lives. Heterosexuality is a significantly more than male and female. Sexual acts, it's an attraction and behavior towards the other sex. Premarital sex, particularly for a woman, was previously regarded as a huge taboo in the Filipino culture. Society prohibited traditional women from doing so, claiming that nice girl would never do so. Men were allowed to indulge in premarital sex to some extent, but they were recommended to marry virgins. The concept of allowing the premarital sex for males but not for girls is known as the double standard. The double standard have been replaced by permissiveness with affection among younger generation. Marital sex. Sex in marriage is the most common and acceptable kind of sexuality activity, and it is often used as an indicator of wedded bliss. So exmarital sex. Exmarital sex is when a married individual has a sexual relation with someone who is not his or her partner. So heterosexual or LGBTQ. So these are the people who are sexually attracted to people of their own sex. Whereas a bisexual are people who are sexually attracted to people of both sexes. Risk and responsibilities. Teen pregnancy and child rearing. Present challenges for adolescents. Adolescents are less likely to receive regular parental care and experience more medical complications during pregnancy. So the next one is sexually transmitted disease or STD. Approximately 9 million adolescents and young adults become infected with an STD each year if not treated promptly. Sex education effective programs delay the onset of sexual activity among the adolescents who are not yet sexually active and lead to safer sexual practices. And remember, one of the most important parts of your health and taking care of your body is knowing about your sexuality. Yes, that's what we said. Sexuality is not just about sex. It means understanding all about your body, your feelings, your healthy relationship. Almost everything thinks he or she knows all about sex. But sexuality is more than sex. It's all about building caring relationship and caring about other people. It's important to ask questions so you remain safe, secure, and responsible. So this is our group presentation for understanding self in Our Lady of Fatima University. So once again, thank you for watching and listening, and have a nice day.